How to change name on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. After you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you will find the settings icon. Click on it. With that, you will land to the settings and privacy page. Now over here you're going to find different sections. Head towards the section of Account Center. Click on it. Now click on the option of Profiles. Click on your Facebook account. Now click on the option of Name. Now from here you can easily change your Facebook name. All you have to do is remove your old name in this way. Then type in the new name. Likewise, you can add middle name and then type in the last name. Once you are done, you can click on the option of Done. After you are done, click on the option Review Change. Choose how your name will appear on your profile. Once you choose that, click on Save Changes. And just with that, your name will be changed on your Facebook account. Well, this way you can easily update your Facebook name. Please note, now you won't be able to change your Facebook name for 60 days. After completion of 60 days only, you will be able to change the name. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change name on Facebook. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.